Got your first drone? Want to register it? Don't want to pay the high dollar that most sites charge? Stay tuned after the intro and I will show you the website to go to register your drone for $5. Welcome back, guys. In tonight's episode, we're going to talk about registering your drone for only $5. Don't pay the big fees that the other guys charge. First of all, I recommend Google. Go to register a drone, and you're going to pull up a bunch of different websites where you can register your drone. You've got FAA.gov, looks official. Let's try this first one here. I've got a registration form filled out. I'm going to hit submit. It's submitting it, and instantly you get drone registration. $29.99, $49.99, $199.99, what the heck? And then purchase. I don't recommend going to this site. It is not the best. The one I use is FAAdronezone.faa.gov. There's a little number out there. And it's $5. I mean, that's it. It's $5. And that's right, this website is the only one on the internet that is $5. Most of them are $29 to $39. I've seen a couple for $10, but this one is the only one for $5. And you want to fly under the exception of recreational flyers, or if you've got your certificate, you go to this one. I don't know how much that one is, so maybe you could leave a comment in the comments below. But you'll be asked for your email, you'll be asked for a password, you'll be asked to create an account. Of course, they're going to send you a follow-up email, and then you click on the link in that email and go back and create your account. Your account, to get your registration, will have to include the manufacturer of the drone, the model number, serial number, and of course your address and things like that. Where's the serial number on a drone? That's the next question. First of all, they are on DJI products like the Mavic Air 2 that I just got yesterday, and I can't fly because it's raining today. It's here on the box. Now, on the drone itself, you flip the upper legs out, and it's in the battery bank, the battery compartment. And on a Mavic Air Pro, no, Mavic Pro, this is the Mavic Pro 1, it is in the same place. Right in here next to one of those scanning blocks. So that's what you'll need when you go to register your drone. Then what you do is you print out, instead of buying the little certificate and they give you a sticker, you just print it out. Buy you a label maker, or get a label maker, or just duct tape it and write it with a Sharpie. You don't have to be too fancy at this unless you're trying to be a professional or a drone snob. The last thing is one of the most important things you have to do. You have to carry around a certificate to show and prove that you are a registered drone pilot. What you do is pay you $5, you're going to get an email, it's going to send you a link to a PDF file, and you're just going to simply print it out. Print it out, fold it in half, down the little dotted line right there, cut it out, and laminate it, stick it between two pieces of tape, stick it in a highly protected pocket, put a page protector on it, any way you can get it protected. I've got it between a sheet of laminate here that I'm fixing to throw through my cooker or my laminator, and I'll trim the laminate down later. Then what you want to do, I used a label maker, just one of these little $20 things you get at Walmart, and printed the certificate number of the registration and put it right here on the inside of my drone. I've got one on the inside of my Mavic Pro, and I've got this one. I did blur the numbers for privacy reasons. Alright, I wanted to show you some of my drone photography, which I will be doing tutorials on for the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Air 2. These are all areas within 10 miles of my house. Matter of fact, I live right there where my pointer is pointing to. That's the beautiful Crab Orchard Mountains. That's Mecca Lake. That's Lake Tansy, which is about 5 miles from here. The beautiful Sequatchie Valley. And East Tennessee is just a beautiful place where you can do some great photography with your drone. And I highly suggest going to places like Black Mountain, one of my favorite places. I'm literally on that little bluff right there, flying my drone toward me. So if you want to learn more about flying drones and how to do great photography, great pano, HDR, bracketed photos, I'm going to be putting up a lot of videos about the Mavic Air and some about the Mavic Pro. So stay tuned. Alright, that's going to do it for this episode of Joe Knows Stuff TV. If you found this episode helpful, feel free to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Click that little bell icon. Leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, just anything to get me in the algorithm, and I would definitely appreciate it. And until next time, Joe Knows Stuff TV is out.